Wouldn't it be great to open another channel of contact for your customers and grow your sales and reach a customer satisfaction of 97%? Well, how about just doing that? LiveChat allows you to connect with hundreds of visitors browsing your website. Send them an automated message that invites them to chat and deliver the support they always wanted. Here's how it looks on your side. With just a few clicks, you can add LiveChat to your website and customize its look and feel to match your brand. And that's it. Now, get ready to chat with your customers. Here's the heart of our app, the chat section, where all the communication happens. When chatting, you can personalize your message with all the detailed information about the customers you have at a glance. To speed up customer support, reply the moment a customer asks a question and solve their problems in real time. For complex issues, check the answer and respond in a flash. You can always get back to the conversation with a customer. With all the chat history stored, you'll both pick up where you left off. Smooth, isn't it? And what do your customers think? Keep tracking their happiness with all the reports and statistics. Make sure you get the most out of your support. Connect to LiveChat with your favorite tools. Choose from over 200 integrations available in our marketplace. And join more than 36,000 companies supporting customers with LiveChat. Start a free trial and connect with customers who are waiting on your website right now.